You can also create multi-sport activity on Galaxy Watch Ultra, and for that you need to go in Samsung Health and then go in Workout, and here you will see this multi-sport option. Now if you tap on it, you can see that you have already two options here, which is triathlon and then duathlon, and then there is a third one, aquathlon. And then you can also add your own activities, so you can add exercises from here. So these are the options that you have, which is pretty limited. So let's say we will add these 3 activities, and then you can go in each one of them. You can set up their targets, metrics, whatever you want to do for each of them separately, and then you can just start the activity, and it will start with the first activity, and there it is. All the metrics are here. You can control your music, and then you can check all the 3 activities that you will be doing. You can also go to the next activity straight away, and you can skip the transition period as well, and then the next activity will start. So now we are on the next activity. Same thing, you can go to the next activity by skipping the wait time in between. So that's how you can create multi-sport activities and do them.